Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Code. In today's video, we are going to explore two very useful layouts in .NET MAUI, horizontal stack layout and vertical stack layout. This video is an extension of our previous video, in which we discussed about the stack layouts. If you have not watched that, I would strongly recommend you to watch the part 9 of this video series. So what is a horizontal or vertical stack layout? In .NET MAUI, horizontal and vertical stack layout are specialized, or we can say derived versions of stack layout. They give you more control over how you organize your UI components by clearly defining whether you want to stack elements horizontally or vertically. Now let's go to Visual Studio and see how these layouts work. To save some time, I have already created a .NET MAUI project called Stack Layout Types. So far, I have created 3 pages inside it. One is Stack Layout Demo.xml, Horizontal Stack Layout Demo.xml, and Vertical Stack Layout Demo.xml. And if we go inside these pages, I only have a stack layout and 3 buttons inside it. So let's start with this one. And also I have set this page as our initial page in our app.xaml.cs file. So let's run it once and see how it behaves. Here we can see 3 buttons are being displayed in a vertical manner. This is because by default the orientation of stack layout is set to vertical. Now let's start with vertical stack layout, which is perfect for stacking UI elements in a vertical column. So here I have a vertical stack layout and 3 buttons inside it. I am using the same spacing and padding as we used in stack layout. The only difference is instead of stack layout, currently I am using vertical stack layout. Now set this page as our initial page and try to run it again. Here if we see, the buttons are still displayed in a vertical manner. The only difference is instead of stack layout with the orientation set to vertical, this time we are using vertical stack layout. Now let's take a look at horizontal stack layout. This layout allows you to stack elements side by side horizontally. It works exactly like vertical stack layout, but arranges elements from left to right instead of top to bottom. So if you see, the only change in this XAML file is I have replaced the vertical stack layout with horizontal stack layout, and rest of the things are same. Now let's set this page as the initial page. Let's save it and try to run the application again. Now here if you see, the buttons are arranged in a horizontal manner. We can achieve the similar kind of UI by using stack layout as well by setting its orientation to horizontal. Now, we can also create more complex layouts by combining vertical and horizontal stack layouts. So let's see that in action. To save some time, let me copy and paste some code. Let's go to our horizontal stack layout demo and replace this code with our new code. As you can see, here we have combined both vertical stack layout and horizontal stack layout to create a complex design. So here I have a vertical stack layout with the padding set to 20 and spacing to 15. And inside this vertical stack layout, I have a label control with a font size of 20, and I have 2 horizontal stack layouts inside it. And inside each horizontal stack layout, I have 2 button controls. Now let's try to run this and see how it looks. So here you see, now we have a design which uses a combination of vertical and horizontal stack layouts. If I open the XAML file side by side, if you see at the root level we have a vertical stack layout. Inside it, we have a label control being displayed. And we have 2 horizontal stack layout which displays 2 buttons side by side. So this is how we can combine both the layouts and create some complex designs. Now when to use these layouts? Both layouts are great for simplifying your UI design, especially for applications with a lot of vertically or horizontally arranged elements like buttons, images, or text. The benefit of using these layouts is that they have a better performance than normal stack layout, since each of these layouts is specifically optimized to work with horizontal or vertical elements. So use vertical stack layout for columns of items and horizontal stack layout for rows. But just be mindful that these layouts might not be the best option for complex and grid-based designs. That's it for today. Now you know how to use both horizontal and vertical stack layout in your .NET MAUI projects. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.